Guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series, and we'll be dealing with environment MCQs, right? So let's get started. The first MCQ: which of the following statements best describes the Kigali movement? Option A: it is an international agreement to reduce greenhouse gas emissions from aviation and shipping industries. Option B: it is a treaty aimed at regulating mineral extraction in the Arctic region. Option C: it is a protocol focused on conserving biodiversity in the Arctic region and Antarctic region. D: it is an amendment to the Montreal Protocol aimed at phasing down the production and consumption of hydrofluorocarbons to mitigate climate change. So let us see the answer for this question. It is D. The Kigali Amendment is, it is the extension of Montreal Protocol, and it is an international treaty aimed at protecting the ozone layer. The Kigali Amendment specifically targets the reduction of HFCs. Okay, so you have to remember this one. And these are potent greenhouse gases, and we know, and this is HFCs has the most potential as the greenhouse gas to cause the climate change. Global warming. These are primarily, we know, it is used in refrigerants in air conditions and refrigeration system. And by phasing down the production and consumption of HFCs, the amendment aims to mitigate climate change and limit global warming. Next question: consider the following statement. The term carbon footprint refers to which of the following? Options are: the total amount of greenhouse gases emitted directly or indirectly by human activities. Option B, the amount of carbon dioxide emitted by person's lifestyle choices over a specific period. Option C, the carbon content of a product or service indicating its environmental impact. Option D, the measure of carbon stored in forests, soils and other natural carbon sinks. So now let us see the answer for this question, guys. Option A, the carbon footprint refers to the total amount of greenhouse gases emitted directly and indirectly by human activities, and not just the lifestyle choices of which causes the emission of carbon dioxide. Third MCQ: which of the following environmental pollutants primarily contributes to the formation of ground level ozone and smog? So option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, sulfur dioxide. Option C, nitrogen oxide, and D, methane. Now let us see the answer for this question. Okay, so again, so nitrogen oxide, okay, and sulfur dioxide, these are primary contributors to the acid rain, and option C is correct. So when released into the atmosphere from sources like vehicles, industrial processes and power plants, they can react with water vapor, oxygen and other chemicals to form nitric acid and sulfuric acid, and this eventually fall to the ground as acid rain, right? So now moving ahead: which of the following organisms are primary producers in aquatic ecosystems? Options are: A, phytoplankton and zooplankton. B, copepods and diatoms. C, cyanobacteria and foraminifera. D, fish and whales. Let us now see the answer for this question, guys. Answer B, copepods and diatoms are both primary producers in aquatic ecosystems. Copepods are small crustaceans that feed on phytoplankton, while diatoms are a type of algae that undergo photosynthesis, producing organic matter that serves as the base of the marine food chain. Moving on. Final MCQ: among the given organisms which are commonly found in marine plankton communities? Option A, cyanobacteria, copepods. B, diatoms, foraminifera. C, foraminifera and fish larvae. And D, copepods and whales. Okay, you might be seeing some resemblance with this one, and it is deliberate to just show you how same concepts can be twisted and you can have entirely different question. Okay, so you should be reading more about a single topic. Okay, you can think in whatever way, in all the possible ways a question can be asked. Option B is the answer. Diatoms and foraminifera are both commonly found in marine plankton communities, and they are type of algae. So foraminifera are single celled organisms, and they play crucial role in marine ecosystem, and they serve as food sources for various marine organisms, and this contribute to the carbon cycling, continuation of the carbon cycling in the oceans. With this we have completed MCQs for this month, sorry, for today's episode, and we'll meet in the next episode. Thank you so much, guys.